Hey guys, hope you are doing well. In my last video, I requested you to do the following homework. Open the Jupyter notebook and assign the string "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" and print the string. Also, get the length of the string. Next, extract and print all the alphabet from A to Z from the string using indexing. Next, slice the word fox and dog from the same string. Now let me solve the homework for you in this video, and I will also leave the link for the Jupyter notebook file below for your future reference. So let's write the string first. I have given you as a homework the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Let's encompass this into double quotes and assign it to a string variable. So let's name it hwstr equal to the string, and let's execute it. Let's print this string with printing the variable hwstr. So now you will see we will get an error. So if you see that I have printed hwstr where s is in small, but the variable I have assigned, the s is in capital letter. Please note that Python is case sensitive, so whatever variable name you give, the cases of the variable should be same when you use them. So again I print HW, and now I do a tab to autocomplete. So it takes HWSTR where S in caps, and now I press shift enter and it prints the string I have assigned. Now next I have told you to print the length of the string. So let's take another variable HWLEN and let's use the len function to find out the length of the string. So len and in brackets hwstr and shift enter, and let's print the hwlen variable. So you can see the length of the string "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" is 43. Next I have told you to print each character from A to Z using indexing. It seems little tiresome to find out the index of each of the character sequentially and print them, but let's start with that. So I will print and take the variable hwstr and put the index of A in this string. So the A lies here. So let's count from the end, as the A is at the pretty end of the string. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So let's put here -7 and execute the code, and you can see that the A character has been printed. Now let's try to print the character B. So again print hwstr square brackets, and again let's get the character index of B. So we start from the beginning: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we put here 10 and execute this, and the character B has been printed. So as I told you, as the string is very long and to print each of the character by counting the index is very tiresome, we can use a technique or a string function to simplify this operation. We will use a string function called split, which will help us to simplify this operation. So let's use the split function on the string and let's see what happens. So we take the variable hwstr and use the split function. So you can also refer to all the functions available in the string by just putting a dot and a tab, and it will list you all the functions available for string. So I can also select this function from the list, and if I just execute this, we will see it shows me the definition of the function. To make this work properly, you have to use brackets after the split function to let Python know you want to execute the split function and not show the definition. So now let's put shift enter. So you can see the string is broken down into words and put into a list. I will explain what is a list is in my subsequent videos, but for now just understand that the string is broken down in words, and we can actually refer the individual words from this list and find the character using indexing of string. So let me assign this list to a variable. So hwlst equal to hwstr dot plate and execute it. Now if you use the HWLST and put an index in it, you can see the individual word. So HWLST0 is TH the, HWLST1 will print you the quick, and so on. So now it becomes easier for us to find each of the word and print the character individually, referring to the specific word in that list. So now let's print C from that string. So the C character is in this quick word, and the quick word is in the array index position 1. So what we will do, we will use the print function again, and we will take HWLST and we will refer to the word in the first index. So we refer to the word quick, which is in the first index of HWLST list. We will try to print the character C, which is at -2 position of this word. So we will use -2 and then we will execute the line of code, and you can see the C character is printed. To print the character D, you can see it is available in the last word. So what we can do, we can print HWLST, and as it is in the last word, we can put as -1 as an index. The word D is the first character, so we put 0 and execute it, and you can see the word D is also printed. Now let's see the word E. So word E is in the -1, -2, -3, -4 position word of the list. So we can print HWLST and -1, -2, -3, -4, and then we can get the character index as -1, -2. So we give -2 and shift enter, and the word E is printed. For interest of time, I will print all the characters in a fast forward mode and show you all the characters. Okay, so we are done to print all the characters from A to Z. So let's jump on the third activity I have provided you, to slice the word fox and dog from the string I have provided. So let's print the string again, print HWSTR, shift enter, and let's find the word fox and dog. Let's use string slicing to grab those words. So let's use the print function, and let's use HWSTR and square bracket, and we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and our end index will be 17, 18 plus 1, 19. So here we are. We get the fox string from this whole big string. Now let's grab the dog string from this big string. So we will start with print HWSTR, and the start index should be -1, -2, -3, and as we are going to the end of the string, so we can keep the stop index as blank and print it. And you see, we grabbed out the dog string from this big string, and that completes your homework. Thanks all for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please give a big thumbs up and put your thoughts in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. Thank you all. Stay healthy and safe.